I really don't know why a lot of new creators don't get this. A $2,000 YouTube course from a YouTube guru will not help you with anything. There are hundreds of free videos on YouTube that you can watch and get the same knowledge. If you watch my channel, you know that I provide niches and my knowledge for 100% free. So, this video is going to be so valuable for you. I'm going to teach you guys a really cool method to start a YouTube channel. I'm sure that no one has done this so far. Take a look at this YouTube channel. This channel talks about historical places in the world. It has gained 73,000 subscribers with only just 51 videos. If you watch these videos on this channel, you might think, we can't create videos like this. It's too complicated. Don't worry. Within the next few minutes, I will show you guys how to make videos like this. First, we are going to create a content plan for this. Then, I will show you how to generate the videos for this category. And then, I will teach you a method to improve those videos with a free tool. Finally, we can complete full process. First, we need to create a content plan. For that, I'm going to use ChatGPT. This niche is basically about historical and famous places all around the world. So, I have created this specific prompt to generate some topic ideas. You can use this same prompt, and I will leave it in the comment section. As you can see here, we have 20 topics for this niche, which means we can create 20 videos. Now let me show you how you can create videos for these topics. For this, I'm going to use this new AI tool called VideoGen. This AI tool is the best tool for this niche. Let's create a video with this. After you sign up for your account, click this Generate Video option, and you will come to this page. This is where you need to type about your video. I have created this specific video script for this. Let's copy it here. I will leave this in the comment section. Then, click the Continue button. Here, you can select the average duration time. I will increase it to 6 minutes. Then just click this Generate Video Script button. That's all. Within a few seconds, this AI will generate the script for your video. If you want, you can read this script and edit it according to your choice. I'm just leaving it as it is. Using this left side menu, you can customize the video. If you go to these background options, you can edit the scenes. I'm going to go with this fast option. It will bring new scenes for every 5 to 15 words. Then, let's go to this music option. Here you can select a piece of background music related to any genre. Select your preferred genre from this top menu, and you will get copyright-free music. If you want, you can upload your own background music. It's completely up to you. Now, go to this voice option. Here, you can select the language of your video and an ultra-realistic AI voice for it. Just check these AI voices and select a suitable voice for your video. It's really simple. Finally, using this caption option, you can edit the captions of your video. If you want, you can create a new caption style and add it, or you can just use one of these pre-made options for your video. It's up to you. After editing all this information, just click this Generate button, and within several minutes, this AI will generate your video. As you can see here, our video has been completed. Now, this is similar to a video editor. Before editing this video further, we need to create some amazing footage for this. Let me show you how to do that. First, you need to sign up for Google Earth Studio. So, this is a free website where you can get 3D video clips for any location around the world. You just need to sign up for free and follow these steps with me. Click this drop-down menu and select the Quick Start option. As you can see here, there are different options available. These are basically like camera shots with different angles. We are going to create clips from all of these options. First, let's try this first option. With this option, you can create a zoom-in clip from outer space, then click this Start button. Then, type the place you want. In this case, it's going to be the Great Wall of China. After you find the place you are looking for, click this Next option. Using this bar, you can edit the starting location of the clip. I'm not going to go too far away from Earth. I think this point is good. Then, click Next again. Now, you can edit the duration of this video clip. I'm going to select 10 seconds. That's all. Now you can preview the clip you created, then click this Render option and type a name for your project. Now that our first clip is done, let's create another clip. Go to the Files and click this new option. Here you can select all the other camera angles. I'm going to select this Orbit option. Here you need to type the location of the place again and select the Great Wall of China. This is the orbital angle. Using these options, you can edit all the things, play with these options, and create a good clip for your video. Then click the Next button and select a duration time for this clip. I'm gonna select 25 seconds, and just like we did before, you can preview this clip and render it. Just like this, you need to create around 5 clips for this specific location. Then click this render button again and select this cloud space. Here you will have all the clips that you created. You can just simply download these clips by clicking this download icon. This process is really simple, guys. Now, let me show you how to add these video clips to the video we created. Go back to the Video Gen project. In this timeline, you can see that you have the option to replace or remove these clips. If you want, you can even cut these clips. Now, what you need to do is look for suitable places to add the clips we generated and replace those with the new ones. I'm going to replace this first clip, so click this Upload Media option. And here, you can upload the clips we generated using Google Earth Studio. Then it will automatically replace that clip with the uploaded clip. So, just like this, add all the clips in suitable places. It will improve the quality and uniqueness of the video. And I'm going to replace the second clip as well. Let's add the orbital angle camera shot for this one. So, take your time and make these changes to your video. After all the changes are done, click this download video option. You can download up to 4K quality using this AI tool. But in this case, I'm gonna go with 1080p quality, and then click this download option. Within a few seconds, your video will be downloaded. Now, let's see this video.
Have you ever wondered what it would be like to stand on top of one of the most iconic structures in the world? A structure that has stood the test of time and has withstood countless invasions and wars? Well, today we are going to take a closer look at the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is not just a wall, it is a symbol of strength, perseverance, and ingenuity. Stretching over 13,000 miles, it is one of the most impressive architectural feats in history. Built over centuries by various Chinese dynasties, the Great Wall was originally constructed to protect the Chinese Empire from invading nomadic tribes from the north. Walking along the Great Wall, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder at the sheer magnitude of this structure. The wall winds its way through rugged mountains, across vast deserts.
This is amazing. You can just try this AI for free, and if you decide to purchase it, they have 3 plans. You can get the Pro plan for $25, and you can create approximately 2 hours worth of content with this plan. And if you get this package for the whole year, you can get it for $15. If you are planning to create multiple channels, this scale plan would be suitable for that. If you want, you can use the link in the description to get this AI. This niche is one of the best niches you can do on YouTube. It's 100% monetizable, and you can make a lot of money through this because these are long videos. All you need to do is upload at least 4 videos a week and be consistent. So I hope you learned some valuable lessons from this video. I wish you the best of luck, and I will see you guys in the next video.